afternoon, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to fix some Mandarin Orange Salad. You need 11 ounces of Mandarin Oranges, crushed pineapple, 20 ounce can. You need 24 ounces of cottage cheese. They didn't have any smaller containers, so I've got this, so I'll let you just use part of it. You need some Orange Jello and Cool Whip. So what the first thing we do is we do the cottage cheese and the Jello. I'm just going to use half of this cottage cheese because this is it's a pound of cottage cheese, so we're just going to use half of it. We're going to use Orange Jello. Quick and easy. You actually need the 3 ounce box of Jello, Orange Jello. Of course, they didn't have any of that, so I got the larger container, but we're just going to use part of it. That's half of it. Sometimes when you go in the store lately and they don't have whatever you want, don't be disheartened. Just take what they've got and go home and divide it up and keep going. Makes it a pretty color. Just blend it together. Then we're going to take a can of pineapple, crushed pineapple. Make sure you drain the pineapple. If you don't drain it, you're going to have a sloppy mess. Well, not necessarily a mess, but let's just say it's going to be a little bit wetter than what you want it to be. Sorry about that noise. I love the smell of pineapple. I used to grow them, the pineapple, but we have some bears down here, and the bears, whenever my pineapple would come up, I couldn't keep my bears away from it. They'd eat my pineapple, so I've just sort of give up on raising them. Of course, I didn't have many, but still, it was good to see them out there growing. Okay, this is a can of crushed pineapple. And a can of Mandarin Oranges. Make sure you drain the Mandarin Oranges too. Just blend this all together. This is really a simple recipe. It's just called Mandarin Orange Salad. And we're going to use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. It's 90 degrees down here already, so this will come in mighty good just to have something cold to eat for dessert or salad, whenever you want it. Just blend it in real well. And that is really all there is to this. Whoops. I had some in my spoon. Let me get that blended in. And you need to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. Let it get good and chilled. Makes a really pretty dish. This is called Mandarin Orange Salad. Orange Jello. Now I use the small curd. You can use the large, but I happen to like the small of cottage cheese. And your Cool Whip. Refrigerate it. And that's it. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Hope you enjoyed this little short video. Something quick to fix. And join my channel. Come back to see me. I'll catch you later. Have a good afternoon.